Hey, Team Chuck here, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video walking you through this document, which is called How to Unlock Record Growth and Stability in the Next 90 Days Using a Balanced Operating System. So a balanced operating system, if you're at a point in your business where you're either wearing too many of the hats, you're spread too thin because you have a team around you and maybe your systems aren't optimized. And when I say systems, I want to talk about two different areas of your business because this is what the growth cycle ultimately looks like within any business, right? We go from startup down here until we get our first few customers, until we have to make some hires, we have to get our systems and processes in place, until we free up that bandwidth and capacity to take our business to the next level. And that works. Until it doesn't, we have to slow down and move fast. And I think about this as a pendulum that just swings between your major business constraints: customer acquisition and then customer fulfillment. So when I say balanced operating system, that is what I'm talking about. And so the offer, what I want to share with you here is both of these systems. Will install these into your business right away so that over the next month, we're going to solve for both of these issues. So let's start by looking at your business growth system and how we think about marketing. This is how I run my equipment service, my manufacturing businesses, this business, and this is what we coach all of our clients. We have over 800 clients that we coach. This is the marketing system that we help them set up. And it looks like this: generating traffic. So a machine for getting people to become aware of you. So think about paid ads, think about search, SEO, that kind of stuff. So traffic, converting that traffic into leads. So those are like contacts, email addresses, nurturing those leads. I think of those leads as tomorrow buyers, nurturing them until they become today buyers, and then having a system in place for converting them into either appointments or purchases. And then you have your customer fulfillment. And then what are we doing after the fulfillment? So this is generating reviews and referrals and reactivating them. So think about like quarterly promotions, or, hey, it's been 6 months since your last teeth cleaning. So this is the system that you want to have in place in your business if you want to achieve predictable, sustained growth. And if you've ever worked with an agency, most agencies stop either right here or right here. So what I want to share with you is a holistic system, and my offer is to build this out for you in your business, one system that handles all of these things, not just lead generation, but nurturing, converting, so generating appointments for you, generating opportunities for you, and having a system that on autopilot generates Google My Business reviews. So everything all in one place. That is the growth system that I want to walk you through, and this is what it looks like. So a system that will hook up with your Google My Business reviews and automatically generate reviews for you within your business. A system that's going to consolidate all of your emails in one place so things don't slip through the cracks. So think about right here, all of your emails across all of your team, for your leads, for your customers, emails, text messages, all of the communication in your business, transparent, all in one place. So this is our conversations system. This is what I use in my business across all of our businesses. And this makes things so much easier when you can consolidate your communication within your business. When it comes to managing your pipeline, so having your opportunities all in one place, and then having all of your leads automatically nurtured. So this is what it looks like, right? There's text messages, it waits a couple days, sends out another message. So setting this up for you so that you have the ability to generate leads, nurture those leads, convert them to customers, everything that you see here, so that you have the ability to generate leads and customers on demand within your business. So when I say business growth system, that's what this is here. And my offer to you is for us to build this all out for you and get you and your team all trained up on this system. Now let's walk through the second. So this business operating system, again, remember, we're talking about the ability to maintain balance as you grow your business. We've talked about the business growth system. Let's talk about how to create that stability and what that looks like. So every business needs, if we unpack this guy right here, we need the ability, as you bring on team members, it's easier when it's just you and maybe one other team member, but when we bring on a team, we need the ability to have that team execute without us having to micromanage. We need a place for all of that information so you're not suffering from tribal knowledge, all that information in your business trapped in your brain. And we need the ability to attract and hire team members so that we can, again, maintain stability, empower our team as we grow and as we take on more sales, more customers. So these two things work in tandem, and that's why we call it a balanced operating system. So let's unpack each one of these. When I'm talking about execution, I'm talking about a system for managing all of your tasks, all of your projects, your company goals, your company leadership. So think about your leadership system as the mechanism for steering your ship, getting everybody pointing in the same direction, and your KPIs. So those are your company numbers, your targets that you guys are hitting. And these are the components that are needed to execute and have your team execute on a regular basis. Your information, so a one-stop shop for your meetings, for your processes, for your resources, for your team's communication, one-stop shop all in one place. When it comes to your team, clear roles and responsibilities, a system for hiring, and a system for managing your team's performance. So this is what any business needs in order to not only create stability as they grow, but also think in terms of the enterprise value of your business. If you have one simple operating system that's purpose-built to manage all of your execution, your information, and your team as you grow and scale, the value of your business is going to jump multiples. So let's make this tangible. This is what I'm talking about when I talk about a one-stop shop for your business execution. So look on the left-hand side here, you can see the About Us. This is your one-stop shop for things like your core values, your principles, your products, your marketing strategy, your vision, all in one place for your team to get a handle on what you guys do when you guys are onboarding and hiring. A place for your tasks. So let's get a drop down here. You can view your tasks. And the thing I want to point out is most tools, so if you've tried ClickUp or Asana or any of those tools out there, most of them are great in theory, but there's a difference between a tool and a system. So what makes this system different is it's designed to stay organized at scale. So as your business, as your team grows, you have the ability to see built-in dashboards, right? How many tasks do we have open? How many tasks are overdue? How many are missing? So this is designed to stay organized at scale. So all the tasks in your business, you can filter by users like this. And there's different views for all your tasks. So you can see everything all in one place. You can see them by group by team member, group by priority, right? So a different way of viewing your tasks. There's a calendar here. Everything is purpose-built, organized by area within your business, so that if you're on vacation, you can see all the things that are happening in your business. Organized by project right down here. So dashboard for your projects. Everything purpose-built, easy to use. It just works. So there's a difference again between a tool and a system. This is a system designed to enable your team to execute. Now let's take a look at your operations. So a place for managing all your meetings. We want to generate a new meeting. There's a place to do that. There is a template for your meetings here as well. So if we were to look at your daily huddle, let's create a new meeting. Everything all in one place. So here's the agenda, and you have the ability to create and manage tasks right out of your meetings. Your processes. Anybody looking for information, your processes are organized by role and responsibility. You can filter them by who does it. Let's put in executive assistant. You can see all of their processes. I can open this up. You can see all the information at your fingertips. Again, designed to stay organized at scale. All of your resources, nothing slipping through the cracks anymore. Your company folders. So this is automatically organized. All of your folders, it's synced with Google Drive. So all of your folders organized all in one place. When it comes to your team, there's a place for your team. There's a place for your roles and responsibilities. Who does what? All the things that you need in order to stay organized at scale. And again, the name of the game at the end of the day is to maintain stability. And when you have this in place, again, we talked about, let's just rewind to where we started here. You have the ability to have 80 to 90% of the day-to-day decisions and activities when you have the system in place no longer need to go through you. And when this happens, when you have balance within your company, you're able to shift from phase 1 to phase 2 growth within your business. And you're able to make the shift, more importantly, from operator to owner so that your business can reach its potential without you having to wear all the hats, without you having to micromanage everybody, without you having to live day to day in overwhelm. That is the name of the game. That is the purpose of having a balanced operating system. So let's get into the offer. And what we've done is put together a pretty awesome offer. And so I want to walk through it with you right now. So what you will get with this offer is the business growth system. We'll set it up for you. We'll get you and your team trained up. You will get ongoing support with us through chat and through Zoom calls, as well as coaching with me and my team so that we can help you on executing and building out your strategy for your business growth system. When it comes to your business operating system, you'll get what I just shared with you, copy, paste, set it up, training and support so I can walk you through how to get it all set up, and then access to our community access to weekly coaching and implementation calls so we can roll up our sleeves, work with you to continue fine-tuning your systems in your business. So you'd get access to our resource vault. We've got things like habit trackers in here. We have things like compensation calculators in here. Let's see if we can find one here. Phone screen interview templates. We're always adding to this. It's a comprehensive database with a ton of resources to help you solve your current problems as you grow and scale your business. So that is the resource vault. And so this limited time offer is $1,300 per month, no contracts. This is month to month. And again, we will set up your business growth system. We will set up your business operating system with you, and you'll get access to our membership as well as our resource vault and our coaching. So again, who is this for? If you have a home service business, professional services, you have a team or are starting to build a team, you are not in startup mode, and you are value and impact driven, then you're going to see on this page the ability to sign up. And if you have some questions, you're also going to see on this page a link to a calendar where you can schedule a 30-minute right fit call. The other things before we wrap up, you're going to see on this document are important resources right here. So for those of you who are new to my world, there are some links in terms of our website, our social media, client wins. So you're going to see some of our client reviews here further down this page. These are all clickable videos, so you can listen to interviews from some of our customers. You're also going to see our podcast. So feel free to do your due diligence, do your research, learn a little bit more about us if you're new to our world. Other than that, I'm really excited to share this with you, and I look forward to hopefully seeing you on the other side. Cheers.